I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to dislike a TikTok video. The TikTok algorithm does a decent job of feeding you videos you'll like. However, if you want to help keep TikTok in line with your interests, it's important to not just indicate the videos you like, but also the videos you don't. Thankfully, TikTok makes it relatively easy to indicate that you don't like a video. Now let's walk through the steps to dislike a video on TikTok. Step 1. Hold your finger against the screen while the TikTok video you want to dislike is playing. A menu pops up. Step 2. Tap Not Interested if you want TikTok to show you fewer videos similar to this one. Alternatively, tap More next to Not Interested if you want to see more specific options. An expanded menu is shown. Step 3. In this menu, you can choose whether you want to hide TikTok videos from this user or hide videos on TikTok with the sound this video is using. Your selections will be applied going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.